Let's be real. Being a student in 2025 is tough. You've got lectures, assignments, research papers, group projects, and exams all hitting you at once. The old way? Stress, caffeine, and all-nighters. But the new way? Students who crush it in 2025 aren't the ones studying harder. They're the ones studying smarter, using AI. So today, I'm breaking down 6 powerful AI tools every student must use in 2025. These aren't gimmicks. These are tools that will save you hours of work, boost your grades, and even give you an edge in your career. Stick around till the end, because tool number 6 is a complete game changer you'll wish you had last semester. Let's start with Perplexity AI, your personal research partner. Think about the last time you Googled something for an assignment. You opened 10 different tabs, skimmed through clickbait blogs, got distracted, and 2 hours later, you still didn't have what you needed. Perplexity is like a research assistant on steroids. Ask it anything. Explain climate change in simple terms, or summarize the latest research on AI and medicine, and boom, you get accurate, cited answers in seconds. But here's the killer part. It doesn't just dump info, it gives you the sources. That means no more panicking when your professor asks, "Where did you get this from?" You can back up every claim. Students are already using Perplexity to cut research time in half. So instead of scrolling through 10 blogs, you get straight to the facts. This is how you study smarter, not harder. Second, let's talk essays and productivity. Meet Notion AI. Every student knows the pain of messy notes, half-done outlines, and forgotten deadlines. Notion AI acts like your digital second brain. It turns that chaos into structure. You can dump in lecture notes, and it automatically organizes them into clean study guides. You can even ask, "Make me a summary of this class in 5 bullet points," or "Turn these bullet points into a 500-word essay," and it does it in seconds. It even helps break down complex ideas into easy-to-understand explanations. But my favorite part? Task automation. Imagine your notes auto-generating a to-do list. Review Chapter 3 tonight, quiz tomorrow at 9. So instead of stressing over, "Where did I write that formula?" or "When's that assignment due?" Notion has your back. It's like having a personal academic coach reminding you what to do, when to do it. Tool number 3, GrammarlyGO. You know Grammarly for fixing typos, but GrammarlyGO in 2025, whole different beast. It doesn't just correct grammar, it rewrites essays, sharpens arguments, and even adjusts tone depending on your audience. Writing a formal research paper? GrammarlyGO makes it sound academic and professional. Writing a casual blog post for class? It'll make it conversational and engaging. This tool is like having an editor and writing coach sitting on your shoulder, making sure you never hand in a weak essay again. And let's be honest, the difference between a B+ and an A often comes down to how polished your writing looks. Number 4, Quizlet AI. If you hate cramming for exams, this will save your life. Just upload your notes or textbook pages, and Quizlet AI automatically generates flashcards, quizzes, and practice tests. It adapts to your learning style too. The real magic? Personalization. If you keep missing a certain type of question, Quizlet AI doesn't just shrug. It drills you on that weak spot until you master it. Imagine walking into an exam feeling like the test questions are familiar, because your AI study buddy already prepared you for them. That's the power of smart revision. Okay, tool number 5 is for your future. Meet Kickresume AI. College isn't just about passing exams. At some point, you'll need internships, jobs, or scholarships. Kickresume builds professional resumes and cover letters in minutes. You just type in your details, and it auto-generates content that highlights your skills in the most attractive way possible. You can even tailor resumes for specific job postings, making you stand out in a pile of hundreds. Think about it. While your classmates are stressing over formatting, you're already sending out polished applications that grab recruiters' attention. And finally, the tool I wish I had back in school, Otter.ai. You know those moments when a professor is talking a mile a minute and you miss half the lecture? Otter fixes that. It records lectures in real time, transcribes them instantly, and even generates summaries and highlights. That means you can actually listen and engage in class instead of scrambling to write every single word. For group projects, it's a lifesaver too. It records meetings, shares transcripts, and organizes what everyone agreed on. No more fights over, "I thought you said you'd do that part," or, "Wait, what did we agree on?" This is the kind of tool that doesn't just help you study, it changes the way you learn forever. So there you have it, The 6 AI tools every student must use in 2025. Perplexity for fast and reliable research. Notion AI to organize your academic life. GrammarlyGO to make your writing shine. Quizlet AI to crush exams with confidence. Kickresume AI to get your career started early. And Otter.ai to capture every lecture and group project. The future doesn't belong to students who grind themselves to burnout. It belongs to students who use these tools to learn smarter, faster, and better. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these tools today. Just one. Try it for a week and I promise, you'll never study the old way again. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.